If f of x negative 1 equals to f of x or x negative 1 for all real values of x, and if f of 0.4 equals to 2.7, then f of 1.4 is equal to. Okay, using the given information, we have to get the value of f of 1.4. Since we have the value 1.4 over here, let's plug in this 1.4 for x in this equation. Then I'm getting f of 1.4 negative 1 equals to f of 1.4 divided by 1.4 negative 1. Okay, here the simplification of this one is 0.4. That is f of 0.4 equals to f of 1.4 divided by the simplification of this one is 0.4. We have value for this f of 0.4, that is 2.7. Let's plug in 2.7 for this one. Then I'm getting 2.7 equals to f of 1.4 divided by 0.4. Since our aim is to get the value of f of 1.4, we have to isolate this f of 1.4. For that, we have to get rid of this denominator 0.4. Let's multiply both sides of this equation by 0.4. Then the 0.4, 0.4 will cancel out. When I multiply the 0.4 and 2.7, I am getting 1.08. On the right side, we have f of 1.4. Here I got the value of f of 1.4. Its value is 1.08. I find 1.08 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.